Hello everyone, welcome to Photo Mart, and we are coming back live again after 6 or 7 months of the COVID. We're happy that we're still around. Today we're going to start a new maintenance series, and this is due to a great demand of you guys asking us how to repair or maintain the Godox systems. The first video I will show you how to change the hot shoe on any Godox speedlite. I'm going to show you how to change the hot shoe in the VA60. However, remember that the principle applies to the V1 series and the T685. All you need is obviously the broken unit or damaged unit, a very simple screwdriver, and obviously the new part. So all we have to do, guys, is remove these 4 screws with your screwdriver. So we have to do it like that. Here we go. So, and what you have to do is just pull it and you can see it. Yes. So now what we have to do is unplug this little switch that we have here. Sorry, I wish I could show it, but I can't do it in that way. So what we have to do is just pull it. Look. Yeah. So it's out, and then we have to put the new one. So now this is the easiest bit. What you have to do is just pick it there and just push it into the hub, and it's ready to go. And what you have to do is just make sure it sits there properly, and you just put your screws back. Get your screwdriver and just start screwing in. And as you can see, imagine I can do the rest, but you got a brand new hot shoe and you save £25. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to follow us on our social media, and if you have a particular subject that you might be interested in, please let us know. Till next time, bye.